and today we're gonna be doing another video, so please enjoy. The mall. Oh, Mommy, can I please have Shopkin? Just one. Okay, I'll get you Shopkins. Which one do you want? I want a candy apple pink one. Okay, I'll get it for you. I have to put in E3. Wait, not E3. Yeah, E3. Beep. Beep. Now let's watch the magic start. Let's get it. Oh no, why are we getting any spaghetti? Oh, maybe I should tell the person who works here that it's going wrong. We asked for the apple, candy apple, the pink one, but it gave us many spaghetti. What did you press? We pressed E3. Oh, it's supposed to be E4. Oh, that's why. Okay, thank you. Bye. Maybe I should just take them in the spaghetti home. I just love nutty spaghetti. It makes me hungry. Now, let's get what we really want. It's E4, I think she told us. Beep. Beep. Yay, it is. Yay. Candy apple's coming. Ah. Candy apple. Candy apple. Candy apple. Oh, candy apple. Now that I got candy apple, I can eat it. No, Elizabeth, baby. You're supposed to play with it, not eat it. Oh, can I have another one? I didn't know. This is your last one. Now, which one do you want, baby? Oh, I want that soda. I like it. Oh, you have to remember, you can only play with it. You can't eat it. Are you sure you want the soda? Yes, I'm positive. Okay. Beep. Beep. Ah! I get the soda. I get the soda. Ding, ding. Oh, yay, the soda. I got the soda. I got the soda. Okay, baby, now that you got the soda, let's go home. No, I want more. I want all of the Shopkins. I want all of them. I love Shopkins. No, baby. Okay, fine. I'm gonna have to climb into it. I'm gonna get in it. I'm gonna get it. Shopkins. Wait a minute, baby. Why are you in there? I want more Shopkins. Oh, I'm gonna have to set you free. D, beep, A, beep. No, I didn't want to go home. No. Uh-oh, I think I broke the vending machine. I'm too big. Oh no, you broke it. I'm just gonna tell the manager to open it. Oh, hi. My baby went in there. Oh my, I've never seen a kid before go in there. I'm gonna have to open it. You naughty little baby. How did you even get in there? Oh, you probably just went through there. Come on, baby, get out. I should put a sign that says no babies allowed. Bad baby. No Shopkins for you. Yeah, baby, you're grounded for a week. No! 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 Mew! I like Shopkins. No grounding. I like Shopkins. Baby, I think you have enough Shopkins. Elizabeth, because look how much Shopkins you have. You have a lot. Now get back up. I knew it was a bad idea going to the mall with her. Come on, let's go. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe and put in comments and likes and share. And so, bye. Wait, please put in comments and likes and share and subscribe. And so, bye.